we just get an occupation of some sort?
Dairy Queen.
A Dairy Queen. All right, so he works at the Dairy Queen. Now, but where was he today? Could we get just an exotic location?
Sushi bar.
A sushi bar. All right, so he was at a sushi bar. Now, why was he late? What was it?
There was
I can't hear it. All right, so let's review. Garrett works at the Dairy Queen. He was at a sushi bar and he was late because there was a moose in the road. All right, go get it.
Wait, you think I didn't see you there? You are late to work. Did you forget where you work? Do you remember what this place is?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, what is it?
It's an ice cream shop. It's an ice cream cone. Sometimes it feels like that. They see it's pretty high.
Yeah, I figured. But you're late?
Yes, I'm a little late. She was actually late. I ran into a deer.